Well, hello there. I'm truly delighted you're here, joining me for this special moment. Whether you're coming in from the cold or just taking a break from your day, know that you are warmly welcomed. I'm so glad you've joined me today. The world outside is busy, especially during Christmas. Streets are filled with laughter, music, and the rush of last-minute shoppers. It's a season of joy, but also of endless to-do lists and bustling energy. In all the hustle, we often forget to pause and find peace within ourselves. This moment is your gift, a chance to breathe and simply be. Amidst the noise, it's important to carve out a little sanctuary for yourself, a space where you can recharge and reconnect. Imagine settling into the coziest armchair by the fire, Christmas lights twinkling. The warmth of the room wraps around you, and the gentle crackle of the fireplace soothes your mind. We'll take a gentle journey together, using our breath to release stress and welcome calm. There's no right or wrong way to feel, just be present with yourself. Picture wrapping yourself in the softest blanket. This meditation is that comfort. Let yourself be held by the gentle spirit of the season, knowing you are safe and cared for in this space. Let's move slowly, allowing your mind and body to unwind. Let this be a true moment of rest, filling your cup for the season ahead. As you settle in, notice the softness around you, the gentle glow of the lights, and the sense of peace that begins to grow. So let's begin. Let's find that inner stillness, like the quiet of a snowy morning. Let the world fade away for a while. Allow the gentle hush of falling snow to remind you that it's okay to slow down and savor this peaceful pause. Allow yourself this time to connect with the quiet magic of Christmas within you. Let your breath guide you to a place of calm. And remember, this moment is yours to cherish. Begin by finding a comfortable spot where you can truly rest, somewhere that feels safe and inviting. This is your time to unwind, so choose a place that allows you to let go of the day's worries and simply be present. Whether you prefer to lie down or sit, settle into whatever position feels best for you right now. Let your arms and hands rest gently at your sides and allow your body to be fully supported by the furniture beneath you. Notice how your muscles begin to soften. Adjust your position as needed. Add a pillow behind your head or wrap yourself in a warm, soft blanket for extra comfort. Give yourself permission to settle in, feeling your body grow heavy and relaxed, as if you're sinking gently into the space around you. When you're ready, gently close your eyes or simply lower your gaze to the floor. Let the darkness behind your eyelids feel like a soft, velvety blanket, wrapping you in a sense of calm and safety. Allow your breath to slow and deepen. Begin to notice the sounds around you, the gentle hum of the room, the distant noises outside, or the quiet crackle of a fireplace. Let these sounds fade into the background, becoming part of the peaceful atmosphere. Your attention is here, in this present moment, nowhere else. You've arrived in this space, just as you are. There's nothing you need to change or fix. You are here, and that is enough. That's all that's required of you right now. You've done the hardest part, showing up for yourself and allowing yourself this moment of peace. Let yourself enjoy it fully. Now, gently bring your awareness to your breath, letting your attention settle softly on the natural flow of air, moving in and out of your body. Notice the gentle rhythm, air entering and leaving your body, just as the winter wind drifts quietly past your window. There's no need to change your breath. Simply observe it as it is, with a sense of curiosity and kindness. Feel the cool air as it enters, refreshing and crisp, and the warm air as it leaves, carrying away any tension. Let's take a few deep, intentional breaths together, allowing each inhale and exhale to ground you in this peaceful winter moment. Inhale slowly, filling your lungs with crisp, fresh air, as if you're breathing in the quiet beauty of a snowy night. Exhale, releasing tension and worries, letting them melt away like snowflakes on warm skin. Breathe in peace. Breathe out everything else that no longer serves you. With each inhale, imagine drawing in calm, like silvery moonlight gently illuminating the snow outside. With each exhale, let go of stress and expectations, allowing your body to soften and your mind to quiet. Allow your breath to anchor you in this moment, feeling the stillness of winter settle around you. If your mind wanders, gently guide it back to your breath, returning to the gentle rhythm that is always here for you. Just this breath, right now, is all you need to focus on. And this one, feeling the air move in and out, steady and calm. And this one, letting each breath remind you of the peace and stillness that winter brings. Let's begin our journey through the body. Bring your attention to the top of your head. Imagine a warm, golden light above you, like candlelight or a Christmas star. Feel it pour down onto your scalp, soothing and relaxing. Let it flow over your forehead, smoothing away tension. The warmth moves over your temples and face, softening every muscle. Let your eyelids grow heavy, your jaw relax. Allow your mouth to open slightly, tongue resting comfortably. The golden light melts away tightness, leaving your face peaceful. Your entire head and face are bathed in this warm, peaceful light. Rest here, soaking it in. Let the relaxation deepen. Let the golden light flow down into your neck and shoulders. Feel it melting away stiffness, letting your shoulders drop and release. Imagine the warmth draping over you like a heavy, comforting shawl. Let your arms relax, the light traveling down to your hands and fingertips. Your arms feel heavy, supported, and at rest. Let your fingers curl naturally, releasing any need to grip. Your neck, shoulders, arms, and hands are filled with this glowing light. They are warm, heavy, and deeply relaxed. Take a deep breath in, and as you exhale, feel them relax even more. Rest in this peaceful energy. Bring your awareness to your chest and upper back. Feel the golden light surrounding your heart, filling your chest with warmth. With each breath, your heart expands with kindness. Exhale and let worries dissolve. The warmth spreads across your upper back, soothing and releasing tension. Let your entire torso feel supported and safe. The light flows into your belly and lower back, calming and settling everything inside. Let go of any tightness in your abdomen. Imagine your core glowing with soothing calm. Your torso is now filled with peaceful, golden light. Breathe into this deep sense of relaxation. Rest here for a moment. The golden light continues downward into your hips and pelvis. Allow this area to become heavy and relaxed, deeply grounded. The warmth flows into your thighs, softening and releasing tension. Let it move past your knees, soothing and easing any stiffness. The light travels through your lower legs, melting away tightness. Your legs feel heavy, warm, and completely at rest. The warmth spreads into your feet, soothing arches and toes. Each toe becomes warm and relaxed. Your entire body, from head to toe, is filled with golden light. You are glowing with peace. You are completely relaxed. Your whole body is now resting in deep peace. Take a few moments in this stillness. There's nothing to do but be. Soak in this feeling of rest for a few more breaths. Remember, this peace is always within you. Now, gently bring your awareness back to the room. Notice the weight of your body, the support beneath you. Feel the texture of your blanket or clothes. When you're ready, introduce gentle movement. Wiggle your fingers and toes. Rotate your wrists and ankles slowly. If it feels good, stretch your arms overhead. Take your time, listening to what your body needs. Prepare to return, carrying this calm with you. As you awaken, gently turn your head, easing your neck. Take a deep, refreshing breath and exhale with a soft sigh. When you're ready, open your eyes and let the light in. Notice your surroundings, colors, shapes, light. You are back, carrying more peace within you. Take a moment of gratitude. Thank yourself for this time. Thank your body for its wisdom and rest. As you move into your day, imagine the golden light glowing within you. Let it guide you, bringing warmth and calm to others. May your days be merry, bright, and filled with peace. We hope you've enjoyed today's video, and we look forward to seeing you again soon.